Hi, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Johnson Muli Mendina II. I am Vet Electrici from Poblacion Bacon District. My hobby is basketball and ML. Why? Because this hobby gives healthy and relaxation. My college journey is to learn how to survive the electrician. The most memorable my part is all of the student to happy and enjoy. Why? Why you choose electrical technology? Because this course is hard, but it is easily. And I have a strong interest in understanding how electricity works. My interest is more hard work, but my favorite activity and as an electrical technology student is wiring and miniature. My favorite my favorite part of studying electrical technology is computing the formula and problems, mathematics. The most excite the project and wiring of miniature. Thank you po, ma'am.